this morning we're going to go ahead and get started getting cattle fed, getting some of our pigs back here fed, and just doing some morning checks on everything. So we'll see how the day goes. It's supposed to be a little bit rainy day here this afternoon, so right now we're just going to fill up our bucket and feed our cows up here. I'll tell you, this feeder here, this is nice. Definitely a nice setup. Definitely happy that I put this whole thing here together, because it just makes feeding so much easier. Storage and the way that it works out is really nice. So let's go feed the cows. Go. What do you think? This here is Oreo. He's been a slow grower, but he's been a really gentle steer to have out here. We're going to feed up our pigs out here right quick, and then we're going to head into the actual back part of it all. So that's them. This is our show stock here, actually, guys. And these guys here are Berkshire for the most part. She is a cross, but it's mostly Berk and her. And then this one that's right here, called a Poland China. Sorry about that. I was just kind of looking to see what was going on there. Just checking females to see if they're heating things. We got one boar that's in here right now, and so far I know he's actually mounted I think everyone here, so just trying to figure out where that's going to go. All right, guys, so here we are back in the barn. This is Lily. She is the one that's actually going to be having piglets here really soon. Aren't you, girl? And this here's Laura, and she is doing good with her two little ones, aren't you? Laura's just as friendly as can be. And her little ones are hiding in here. They're doing really good. I tell you, these this cross that we had here, which was something that I was really looking forward to there, between our registered Berkshire boar and her being a registered Hampshire. It is it's definitely a nice cross. Her babies are solid as can be. We're just going to give them a little feed here. you doing, Lily? What are you doing, girl? Hey, look at that belly. Ooh, Lily. Let's see what's going on here. So this is Lily, and you can see she's really dropping down. Milk's really filling up. You're starting to see all this whole thing, especially on her. She's had a few litters, and she's swelling up quite nice. On the back side too, she's swelling up. Vulva's swelling up. All predominant signs that here shortly she's going to be giving birth here. So. I'm excited to see her little ones again. She puts out a really good solid piglet too. Her piglets that she last had that are out in the feed lot there, the feed pasture I should say, they're just getting ready to go to slaughter here within the next probably 2-3 weeks. So she timed out right perfectly. She's been a good mom, so I'm excited to see what happens with her, and excited to see what her piglets look like again. There's a lot of color. Here's Burke over here chilling this morning. How's everybody doing? So we've after we went ahead and actually did our platform, we're still waiting. Feed delivery will actually be here on Wednesday of this week. So right now we're just doing a little spot feeding with some of the corn until we get our hog grower here. These guys still do, you know, obviously they're still eating on the pasture and all that good stuff, but we like to at least kind of keep this going on the green side, because, you know, the pigs do benefit and thrive off of the grain. You know, they do need a diverse diet. So obviously they're not getting all they can eat out of this as far as the grain wise, so it is requiring them to go ahead and search for a little bit of extra food out and about throughout the pasture. So this was a little project that I worked on here today. I didn't get it on film, and but basically you guys see that bar going across. I ended up moving that up to 32 inches and actually adding just a regular old high tensile strand up top, just to kind of deter them from jumping if they're going to. But I'm really pleased with how it's kind of working out. Just needed a little higher. We had some that were really trying to step over top of the bar, and that's how it really got bent up. So just trying to do things in an inexpensive way, but sometimes it just bites you in the ass. So this seems to work pretty good though, and we're going to keep rocking and rolling with it. So it's just an area for us to feed out. We actually used to feed our grains out over here, and I changed some things around, and now we're just strictly feeding out of our Tartar head gates up there with the feeders, you know, all built together. So I think this is going to look good though. This is our fat group here, that's out here in this finished pasture here. These guys will be going, this is actually starts from, we're in September, and within these groups here, we'll be slaughtering 2 each month. So this will get us through to December. We're gonna end up, which we got another one hiding over on the other side. Actually, hopefully this week, we're gonna go ahead and run another group up here, our big group that's actually out back, and just kind of hoping to get them run through. We're gonna get them weighed again. They need to be vaccinated for the season coming up, and then we're going to go ahead and pull another 2 out of that to hopefully finish out for about 120 days up here. So everybody looking good though. Guys, we're going to run in here and actually check one of the chicken houses here just to make sure everything's good to go. You guys see here, this is a chlorine powder bath that we step in before entering the actual chicken house. Well, it does feel good in here. Got a lot of air moving here today. Nice and warm outside. It's actually just perfect weather, to tell you the truth, because fans are there's enough fans running, but it's still warm in here for these guys, and nice for us all here at the same time. Just kind of going through and doing a little check. Actually see, all right, looks like somebody's at least, looked like we had a little water leak here. Nipple getting stuck on us. Yep, it's still stuck actually. So every now and then here we get a little nipple that wants to gum up on us and stick up on us here, and you just got to kind of go through and rotate it. If it gets too bad, if you can't really get it unstuck, which this one's starting to rotate real nice, then we'll go ahead and replace that nipple. But usually it just takes a little spinning and they're ready to go. Alrighty, birds are looking good. We're 11 days old today. Went ahead, we've already shut off all of our turbo pans in here, which is just the extra chick feeders to get the guys started here. What are you doing here? Again, that just gets the chicken started, and those are all pretty much emptied out, so we're going to be picking those up tomorrow. So what do you guys think? Bunch of chickens, huh? Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. We kind of bounced around a little bit there, just a bunch of stuff really getting done. But until next time guys, like always, if you can, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see, or any info that you guys would like to get from us. We'll see you next time.